In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on car mode on Spotify. Car mode is a feature that makes it easier and safer to use Spotify while driving. It simplifies the interface and provides larger buttons for easy navigation. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap Bluetooth. What you want to do next is toggle on Bluetooth. Then connect your device to your car via Bluetooth. Once you've done that, exit the Settings app and open up the Spotify app. Then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on the car option. Then toggle on the switch next to the car mode. Also, if you want to, you can toggle on this switch to keep Spotify open, which will prevent your phone from going to sleep whenever you're controlling Spotify in the car. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.